Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your inbox in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Asana app. And here, after it has loaded, it opens up in the home menu, where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to tap on inbox in the bottom bar. And then at the top we find filters. If we tap on this, we can filter the inbox based on a few criteria. It can be either from person, then we can select the person that we want to find out, that we want to filter by. Also we can filter it by assigned to me, which means that whatever has been assigned to us is going to show up here. Then we can filter by mentioned or assigned by me. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.